Hola, hola, everybody. Shout out from Terlingua, Texas. It's going to be a little short and sweet video. We're just waiting on this cyclone blizzard to come in. It started raining about 2:30 last night here. Light rain. Started getting cold. It's cold out now. It's been 50 all night. Probably about 40 now. Alright, everybody, stay warm. Be safe. Don't get out unless you have to. Check on your loved ones. I'll show y'all a video this morning. Maybe we'll get a little snow before the sun comes up. Alright, everybody, if you could, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and have a great morning. Peace.